When you take your car to a professional auto repair shop, the final bill might leave you wondering, what exactly am I paying for? While the cost may seem high at times, there's much more to the price tag than just parts and labor. Let's break down the different components of what you're really paying for when you bring your car into a professional auto repair shop. Number 1. Labor costs. Labor is often the largest part of your repair bill, but it's not just about the hours spent working on your car. It also reflects the years of training and experience technicians have, allowing them to diagnose and fix problems quickly and correctly. When you pay for labor, you're investing in that wealth of knowledge, ensuring that your car's problem is addressed properly and that costly mistakes are avoided. Number 2. Diagnostic tools. Today's vehicles are more complex than ever, with computerized systems and intricate components that require advanced diagnostic tools to troubleshoot. These specialized machines are expensive, often costing thousands of dollars. As a result, professional auto repair shops invest heavily in maintaining and updating them. When your vehicle undergoes a diagnostic test, the fee helps cover the cost of using this advanced equipment, which allows technicians to pinpoint the problem with accuracy. Quick and precise diagnostics help prevent unnecessary repairs and ensure that the real issue is resolved, saving you both time and money in the long run. Number 3. Specialized tools. Auto repairs often require specific tools that are designed for particular makes and models. From precision torque wrenches to high-end diagnostic scanners, these tools are necessary to complete repairs correctly. High-quality specialized tools come at a high price, and professional auto repair shops must keep a wide variety of these tools on hand to service different vehicles. These tools allow technicians to perform repairs with greater accuracy, reducing the risk of damage and ensuring quality results. While the cost of using such tools is reflected in your bill, it's essential for delivering the best possible repair. Number 4. Parts. When it comes to repairing your car, the quality of parts used plays a huge role in how long your repair lasts. Professional shops typically use OEM, or original equipment manufacturer parts, or high-quality aftermarket parts that meet or exceed industry standards. While there may be cheaper parts available, they often don't perform as well, leading to more frequent repairs. By investing in premium parts, your vehicle will be equipped with components that are made to last. Ultimately, this means your vehicle should run better for longer and you can save money over time. Number 5. Safety and warranty. One of the major benefits of taking your car to a professional auto repair shop is the peace of mind that comes with knowing the job is done safely and correctly. Professional shops often offer warranties on both labor and parts, meaning that if something goes wrong after the repair, you're covered. This added protection is included in the price you pay for professional auto repairs, but it's well worth it for the assurance that your car has been repaired properly and safely. The bottom line is that when you pay for auto repairs at a professional shop like Goodworks Auto Repair, you're not just covering the cost of parts and a few hours of work. You're investing in the expertise of our highly trained technicians, the use of advanced diagnostic tools, and the quality of specialized parts and equipment. These components work together to ensure that your vehicle receives the best possible care and that your investment keeps you safely on the road. In addition, we offer an industry-leading 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty on parts and labor for major repairs. By understanding what goes into the cost of professional auto repairs, you can see that you're not just paying for a quick fix. You're paying for long-term reliability and peace of mind. Schedule service with us today and experience the difference that working with professionals makes.